Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vivan Lord of Fall. Today, I will be making a scratch video, and in this scratch video, I will be teaching you how to make your own Guess My Number game. Now, I don't make these videos much, but if you would like me to make more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Now, firstly, what we have to do is we have to go to Create. Make sure you've also got your own. You've made your account. I've made mine. Vivan Lord of Fall. Go follow me there. So firstly, go into Create. So let's create a project. Okay. So now we will just put all the code for the Scratch Cat over here. Now, firstly, what we want to do is we want to go to Variables. Make a variable. Now, as we have just like one, we will have only one sprite for the entire thing. It's your choice if we want for all sprites or for this sprite only. We can set the name for. Let me think. Random number answer. Okay. So I'll just do it for this sprite only. Okay. So we've got that. Let's just hide this. Now, as we had in the beginning, I want it to be like it makes a number, it thinks of a number, and then at the end you have to guess the number. So then let's go into events. When flag clicked, then variables, set my mouse. Yeah, set random number to. Now we go in operators. Pick random 1 to 10. Let's change this to 1 to 99. Now we've got that. So now we go into ask. We can say guess my number between 1 and 99. So that's it. Okay. Now here's the complex part. Go into events. Sorry, not events, control. My mistake. If then put an if else. Hi everyone, I'm back. Now after a long time of thinking and deep thinking, I realized that my guess my number between 1 and 99 should have been in this loop. That was my mistake. And we didn't need the what's it called? The other guess my numbers here. Also, here's this thing. This should not the not should not have been here. I was overthinking it. So now this is our code. I'll explain it in a minute. Let's just save and begin. Guess my number. 10. Too low. So it was too low, so it has to be ahead of 10. Let's do 20. Too low. Still too low. Okay. 30. Too high. So it's between 20 and 30. So let's do 25. Too low. So between 25 and 30. So let's try 27. Yay, we guessed it. And that's our game. So if you did like my project, sorry I wasted your time watching this. I would suggest you go to timings. Well, I'll tell you in the vid. But Okay, so I'll write a comment here. Just add comment. Let me just move here. Yeah. So this code will this code will repeat this process. Repeat repeat the process of asking you the answer to the to a random number stored in the memory. Sorry, memory. Can't spell today. Memory of the game. Okay, so guys, if you did like this project, if you did like my project, please, yeah, please go over to my Scratch account. Do follow me, but don't forget to subscribe here as well. Bye.